In this video, I'm gonna share with you 3 ways that you can make money as a personal trainer, even if you don't have any clients. So when I was an active personal trainer, there was times where, I didn't have a lot of clients, right? And if all you doing is personal training, your income is, based upon like having clients, right? But there was times where I only had 1 client, right? There was times I had 5 clients and then I had 1, right? So how can you make money if you're in that position, right? You want to make money, right? As a trainer, you don't want to do something else you don't want to do. So here are 3 things that you can start doing today to start bringing in some extra income, even if you don't have any clients or you only have 1 or 2 clients, all right? The first thing you could do is start selling your own merchandise, all right? Now you're probably thinking, come on, man, I know that, you know what I'm saying? They got all kinds, I see ads all the time about starting my own t-shirt brand and da-da-da-da-da, right? Yeah, well, are you doing it? You know what I'm saying? That's the question. So I actually did this. Now, you could do whatever you want to do, right? But if you got like a logo or something or like your brand and nobody really knows who you are yet, them shirts probably ain't gonna sell. So I would start with like, like your catchphrase or slogan or something like that. Something that can appeal to a lot of people. So if you just got like your brand name, it's like, why is somebody gonna buy it? You know what I'm saying? Like they don't know who you are yet. So I would come up with, different phrases or, use things like, it's time to grind or whatever, right? Come up with your own little things, and then you can start promoting them on your social media, your Facebook, your TikTok, Facebook Reels, Instagram, all that stuff, and start getting some traction. You can also even give your clients or even your past clients, give them a discount on your new merch. Then once they buy it, or even if you want to give a couple shirts away, whatever, what you want to do is make sure that they take a picture in your merch, whether it be sweatshirts, t-shirts, joggers, hats, whatever it is you got. Make sure that people are wearing it, and ask them to take pictures of it, put it on their Facebook, tag you in it, Instagram, you know the deal. But having your own little merch line going on, it can bring in some extra cash, right? And that extra cash can really come in handy. So like I say, you don't need to overcomplicate this. I don't want you to think I'm like, oh man, I gotta do like shirt samples and I gotta like have all these meetings. No, you can go to spreadshirt.com right now and start playing around with different ideas and what they call it, print on demand. So you don't have to get shirts made now. You don't have to have a closet full of t-shirts with different sizes. No, you can promote your store on any of these platforms, right? Just look up print on demand shirts, right? And you'll see. But I had used a Spreadshirt in the past and they were pretty cool. But like I said, you can set your own prices, have your own store, and anybody you want to share your link with, all you need to do is just send them a link to your store and they can order it and it'll get shipped straight to them. You'll get your commission and you keep it moving. Second way you can start making some money as a personal trainer, even if you don't have any clients or very few, is affiliate marketing. Now I love affiliate marketing. That's what I'm all about. If you're not familiar with what affiliate marketing is, it's basically when you promote somebody else's product or service and every time you generate a sale, you get a commission from making that sale. So the cool thing is about affiliate marketing is there are tons of things that you can be an affiliate of. Pretty much anything you can think of, you can find an affiliate program, related to that and start generating commissions. Now, an easy way to get started with that is, first of all, starting with what things right? Things that you personally use. So if there's certain workout equipment that you use that you recommend to people, see if they got an affiliate program related to it, right? Sign up to it and you can, promote it on your social media. Promote it once again to your clients. If it's like certain resistance bands or stability balls, all of that stuff you can be an affiliate of and be making money on the back end of your fitness business. All right. Not only that, you can be an affiliate of different supplements. One place you can start, but I always tell people the commissions are really low, but it's easy to promote, is become an Amazon affiliate. All you need to do is Google become an Amazon affiliate or Amazon associate, and you can see what it takes to get started as an Amazon affiliate. But it's super easy to get started with promoting products on Amazon, because everybody know what Amazon is. Amazon's trusted, and like I said, it's easy to generate sales. But when you just get started with Amazon, your commissions might only be 1 to like 4% for everything that you sell. But that could be really dope if you are selling like workout equipment. Like if you are an affiliate and you promoting like treadmills and ellipticals and weight benches, you could make some nice money as an Amazon affiliate. But like I said, you don't got to stop there. There's tons of places you can be an affiliate of. Just figure out what you into, what you're using, what you want to use, what you're interested in, and just become an affiliate and just find ways to promote it. And the last but not least way to start making some money as a personal trainer, even if you don't got no clients or very few, is create a YouTube channel. All right, that's like, I had a YouTube channel before I even got certified to be a personal trainer. All right, and it's just a great way to start generating another income stream, a passive income stream, however you want to look at it. Because once you create your YouTube channel, not only can you start earning from getting your channel monetized and getting paid from having YouTube ads on your videos, this is where you can generate content and promote your affiliate products. Or even if you decide to create your own programs, you can promote them on YouTube. Not only that, if you get your channel big enough, you can start getting brand deals. All right, so the YouTube earning potential is ridiculous. All right, now it is a grind, right? Just like anything, but like when you think about just your YouTube channel, how many income streams that can generate by itself, I mean, you might just be done with damn personal training, right? One-on-ones. You might be like, oh, I'm good, right? But that's on you. Definitely create a YouTube channel. And if you're thinking like, well, I don't really, like, what do I post? Well, you're a personal trainer. First of all, start posting, you demonstrating workouts, right? Giving weight loss tips, giving nutritional tips, right? You know what I'm saying? Start there. Then you can start reviewing products. Then you can start doing review videos on, your favorite supplements, your favorite workout equipment. Remember, you're an affiliate now. The sky's the limit once you got the YouTube channel set up. I mean, you're a trainer, you know what to do, right? But the key is be consistent. If you're going to take the YouTube route, at least at bare damn minimum, do at least one video a week, right? Do at least one video a week. If you can do 2 videos to 3, great. These are 3 ways that you can start making money as a personal trainer without clients, and you can actually start doing all 3 of these today. So I recently joined Next Rewards, which gives me cash back every time I shop on or offline. It also allows me to build a monthly recurring income. Want to join me? Click the link in the description.